Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder not uploading. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder not uploading, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about the application of Tinder. When you'll find this list of app and for you, we click on the first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on, then you can wait a moment and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.